Been K.S. Krishnan, some of you may have heard his name, and his examiner was Sir C.V. Raman, MSc examiner. These two were already legendary figures in Indian science. They sent the young man to Homi Bhabha at IISc Bangalore to work on physics. Bhabha in turn sent him to Paul.
Hydrogen, evolution, and molecular sciences. Today, we will share some essential information on lab safety that is required in a chemical laboratory. So, Dr. Saumen Saha, please come to the lab and say. One more thing I would like to say that the speaker's time is 60 minutes and 50 minutes will be given for testimony. Right? So it's starting at 12:30, we finish at 1:30, and then
श्रीमान श्रीवास्तव जी और हमारे गुरु प्रोफेसर भरत सिंह जो यहाँ पर विद्यमान है, उन्होंने हमको ये अच्छी और अच्छी बनाया और हमारे कुलीग्स यहाँ पर और तो
Today we have completed the first session of our 3 days workshop, and we have very nice inauguration with our chief guest, head of department chemistry. And after the session we have 3 prominent speakers, Dr. Himanshu Arora, Dr. Kamal Khan Behra and Dr. Saumen Saha. They have given a very nice wonderful talk, and which is very useful for us, especially for the new students, master's students, and those who are doing the PhDs. And definitely with this we are continuing our next day with more exciting talks, and hope you will all enjoy this, and it will be also very useful for your next career advancements. Thank you very much.